Da-da! Okay, wow, 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 wow. Hello to you and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sian and my channel is Sianizer, and in today's video I'm super excited because we are testing out the Beauty Bay's limited edition Valentine's collection. So it is the New Romantics collection. I have got the 20 pan palette here with me and the liquid eyeshadow trio. So I saw my friend Finn do a video testing these out and doing a look with the eyeshadow palette, and as soon as she opened it up I was like, I need that in my life right now. So I actually ordered it that evening and I ordered the liquid eyeshadows as well. So if you're not already, go and check Finn out, check her video out as well. She did a beautiful look with this palette. Can we just appreciate the packaging for the moment as well? I mean, look, just the colours and the effect on here. It's roses just kind of warped and the colours are just beautiful. So I don't actually usually keep packaging, but I think I'm actually going to keep this box because of how pretty it is. So I'll just read you the blurb of the eyeshadow palette. So, New Romantic, it's time to get intimate with the by Beauty Bay New Romantic palette. Inside you'll find 20 shades in all the warm, berry and blossom tones that you could possibly need. Each silky soft shadow buffs and blends seamlessly onto the lid, whilst our iconic matte and shimmer formulas have intense colour payoff that lasts all day long. You're about to fall in love with your latest obsession, and to be honest I think I will, because I fell in love with it as soon as I saw Finn open it. So it comes wrapped in lots of lovely bubble wrap, which is great because we want that protection. It did come in a nice cardboard box as well, but the cats have nicked that. They like to sleep in that. So here is the palette. So it's got this gorgeous kind of pastel baby pink with the New Romantics with that rose design that's on the front of the box, and that is, if you can see, reflective as well. So it's got that gorgeous shine on there. I have used the Beauty Bay's own eyeshadow palettes before. I've got the 10 pan nude one. I think it's 10, or is it 15? It might be 15 actually. I've used their eyeshadow formula before and I really rate them. These were really affordable as well, so they were £15 each. £15 for a 20 pan eyeshadow palette. And I know this is going to be high quality. It is an absolute bargain. So I do believe this is definitely limited edition, the liquid eyeshadows. So after this video, if you really like them, get them because they're limited edition. I'm not too sure whether the actual eyeshadow palette is limited edition though. I assume it is if it's Valentine's collection. So let's open this bad boy up. Da-da! Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. So beautiful. And the mirror does come with this protective film over it as well, so I'll just peel that back. So let us swatch a few of these. So straight away I am drawn to this raspberry shade. So let's grab that one. It's so soft. And I'm really drawn to this one above it as well, called Claret, I think. There are just so many that I love. The one above that, Oyster, looks beautiful. Okay, wow, 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 wow. Look at these. So let's just straight away. Can you see that? Can you see that? That is what I am talking about right there. I knew from Finn's video that these were like beautiful and crazy pigmented, but to see it firsthand on my skin, this oyster shade right here, that is beautiful. And that is very shimmery. I've just tried to wipe that all off and it's gone everywhere. Right, now let's swatch these liquid eyeshadows. I have been a bit naughty and I have swatched these already because I just really wanted to see what they were like, and I have my favourite one. I have my favourite. So here is the packaging of these. We do obviously have 3 of them here. So they are plastic and it does have written over it liquid eyeshadow. This is my favourite one. Let me swatch this one, and I don't actually have my glasses on and I don't have them to hand, so I can't actually read the name of this. Let me see if I can get my... Wait, let me take a picture of it and zoom in. That's the best way to do it, isn't it, I think? Okay, so this one is called Morganite. This is my favourite one. It's absolutely beautiful. So this is the applicator just here. I do apologise for my patchy tan. Are we ready for this? I think we need some up close and personal action here. It's just, it's chromy. It's like, it's got this gorgeous shift. It's pink, but like a coral orange reflect in it. The other two are glittery. They've got a slight glitter in them. So let me take a picture of the name. Garnelian, I think this is called. So this is like a red one, and it does have little chunks of glitter in there. And then finally we've got this kind of like, it's like a brown shifty glittery one. I think it's called Sardonyx. So that's like a brown shift one with the glitter flecks in there. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I forgot to read you the blurb of those. So your glitter ritual made simple. Light up your eyes with our crystal inspired sheer pigments. Swipe on the lids, cut the crease, pop the corner, dab, line, blend if you wish. Wear for hours, smudge, fade and crease free. And I did actually read on the website, you can use them on your cheeks and on your lips as well. Okay, so look at how I don't know if you can see, but my hand is like covered in glitter now. So I'm gonna stop talking now and we're gonna dive straight in to the makeup look. Okay, so I have just carved my brow and applied some P. Louise base on this side. As per, I don't actually know what look I want to do. So I'm gonna take this shade that I swatched, Claret, first. And then we're just gonna, wow, okay. That means business, that does. Really, really beautiful. So I think I wanna try and do a spotlight. I've never really had much luck with spotlights before, so we'll give it a go. I've just used my Doll Beauty 7 brush here, by the way. And then what I actually think I'm gonna do is deepen it up in the crease with the black, which is called Ink. Just because I really, really want to get that depth in that crease. Then I'm just going to take a bit more of that Claret shade and just go over the top there. Now I'm going to take, I think, let's see if I can blend that out with Flamingo, this kind of baby pink here. These are so pigmented, honestly. 15 quid. They blend together absolutely beautifully. I can't get over the blend of these, they are stunning. So what I'm just gonna do is cut the spotlight crease with some Vaseline and take it off with some cotton buds, and then we'll play about with some of these liquid eyeshadows. Okay, so what I've just done as well is just stamped it out with some P. Louise blank canvas. What I actually think I'm gonna do is, for the spotlight, use the Shimmers Royal Raspberry and Chintz, this gorgeous like lilac one right in the middle. And then with the liquid eyeshadows I'm going to use on my lips, and then I think I'm going to draw a little love heart for Valentine's Day around my eye somewhere. So let's give that a go. Let's go in with Royal, this gorgeous purple. We'll see how it goes on with the brush. That does apply really, really beautifully. And then let's pop on this raspberry shade. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Now let's go in with Chintz. One thing I will say, I feel like I need to wet my brush because it's not transferring as much as I want it to. Okay, I've just got some setting spray, so let's see if this will change anything. There we go. Yeah, baby, that's good. So I'm just taking a little dome brush and going back in with that raspberry and just trying to blend those bits in. And then I'm just taking my brush that I went in with Claret and Ink, dipping back and forth between both of them just very lightly. And we're just gonna blend these sides in. Well, if I do say myself, I think that looks blooming beautiful. I'm well chuffed with that, well chuffed. Right, let's do underneath. So let's go in with Claret again, just on the lower lash line. Take some ink as well, blend that in. This black is blooming amazing. You don't need a lot on your brush at all. And then just with a nice big fluffy brush that I did go in with Flamingo, I'm not going to take any more. I'm just going to use that to kind of blend in these edges here. And then just a trick that I like to do, I'm just going to take my bronzer, which I used Doll Beauty Medium Deep, and just use that to connect where the end of the shadow meets like the rest of my face, just to soften it so it's not so harsh. Do we pop something in the inner corner? I don't want to like overdo it too much. Yeah, why the hell not? I'll tell you what, let's just go in with chintz again, keep it connected. Pop chintz in the inner corner. And I'm also going to take the tiniest bit on my lower lash line, just to kind of keep that continuum of glitter and sparkle. And then in my waterline, I'm just going to apply the tiniest bit of blank canvas. And then I'm just going to use this vanilla shade to set that. It will just brighten everything up on the inside. I tell you, I'm so proud of myself with this. This is the first spotlight eye that I've actually gone, yeah, you can tell that's a spotlight. Right, now let's draw on a nice love heart. Let's use my favourite one. To start with, I'm actually going to use a dotting tool for nails. Actually, I don't know if I should use the red one, you know. I think that'll be better for the heart. Right, so what I ended up doing is just going over with a P. Louise brush, just an angled P. Louise fine brush with the shade Ink. And then I did go in with one of the liquid eyeshadows just in the middle. So hopefully you can see that. So what I'm going to do now is do exactly the same on the other eye, pop some lashes on, and then I'll be right back to see how these apply on the lips. Alright, I am back with the other eye done and lashes. I've decided not to put a heart on the other side just to kind of give the contrast. I don't want to make it look like I've got like heart tears or something like that. Lashes I've used are Doll Beauty Cocoa. I'm so excited about this look, like I can't even tell you how excited I am of this look. I'm so proud of myself. Right, for lips, I've got the Doll Beauty lip liner in Lips Don't Lie, so I'm going to apply this now. And now I have got a Bourjois lipstick, and this is the Rouge edition in, well, it's not got a name, it's just number 30, and it's just kind of like a really gorgeous, like dusty pink colour. Oh, I just really want to try this chrome one, you know. I'm just going to apply a bit on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to dab it on with my finger. So I'm just taking that liquid eyeshadow. Oh my god, I love it. I really like the effect that the liquid eyeshadow gives, just patted over the top of that lipstick. I think it's beautiful. It doesn't feel heavy on my lips at all because I was just very light-handed with it. And I just think it gives a little bit of zhuzh over the top of any lipstick, and the colours are just beautiful for the Valentine's collection as well. Okay, time for final thoughts and opinions. Obviously, here is the final look. I'm in love, I'm speechless, I'm sorry, but I think I've found my new favourite eyeshadow palette. And for £15 for this, hello, look at the pigment, look at what you can do with it. absolutely stunned and blown away. I knew the Beauty Bay eyeshadow palettes are good because I've got the nude one, but I didn't know that they were this good. Honestly, I don't want to take it off. I literally do. I want to wear it forever. Forever and ever. Thank you, Finn, for doing your video on this eyeshadow palette, because I honestly think if I didn't watch your video on it and if I didn't see firsthand how beautiful they performed, I wouldn't have bought it. So thank you so much, Finn, for showing us the gorgeous palette and influencing me to get it, because it's the best £15 I've ever spent in a long time. I do believe this is limited edition, so before it's discontinued, get on Beauty Bay and get yourself this palette, because I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. The packaging, I mean, it's lightweight, you can carry it around everywhere. The colour story is absolutely beautiful. There wasn't any fallout when I used the eyeshadow, so the formulas are absolutely beautiful. Obviously the shimmers are so buttery, and even the matte shades are really buttery as well. You saw me stamp the first shade on and just how easily it transferred onto my skin. And I don't think there's any kickback in the palette at all either. So if you are somebody that, you know, really wants to keep your palettes pristine and not having to clean them a lot, then this is a good one for you as well. And the mirror is obviously a really nice size to go with it as well. Highly recommend this. I'll be reaching for this whenever I want these sorts of colours. I want to get more Beauty Bay palettes, that's all I can say. I want all of them. As for the liquid eyeshadows, I think they're beautiful. I mean, there are lots of formulas like this on the market, but these are definitely affordable. It was £15 for all three, so well worth it. And I know Beauty Bay, they have loads of different shades, not just these three. These are just limited edition ones for Valentine's Day, but they do loads of different ones. And after seeing how these performed, I would definitely buy some of the other shades that they have, definitely. And I absolutely love this on the lips. I can't wait to do looks with trying the others on the lips as well. I think they're absolutely beautiful. But I can't get over this palette. I really can't. I'm gonna be absolutely raving about this to everybody. Get on it. If you've not put it in your shopping basket, put it in. Not to sound aggressive, but it's so good, it's so good. Okay, so now we have come to the end of the video. Please let me know what you think about the eyeshadow palette and the liquid eyeshadows as well. Obviously, I've not used them on my eye. I only use them for this little heart and over the lips. So I'll look forward to using these actually on my eyelids as well. But yeah, let me know your thoughts, feelings, opinions. I look forward to reading them in the comments. If you have enjoyed this video, everyone, please give it a big thumbs up for me. And if you aren't already, please consider subscribing. We are slowly creeping up now, and it makes me really, really happy that I actually have people who regularly watch my videos. It gives me that drive to create this content for you. I have some really exciting videos up and coming as well. I think I can actually call myself a real YouTuber now, because I've actually bought products to test for you guys. So does that qualify me as an actual real YouTuber now? I don't know. Who knows? But anyway, thank you so much for watching, everybody. I shall see you next time. Goodbye.